Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Avenir and Palm Beach Gardens, which is going to be a massive luxury planned community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Stellar model. This home is going to give you about 2,500 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and a den, 3 to 4 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and there's plenty of storage space with a great layout that makes a lot of sense. You have a private guest suite up front with their own bathroom. The kitchen, living, and dining room areas are open and spacious. Bedroom 3 is tucked away at the end of the hall next to another bathroom and the laundry room. And there's the option for the cabana bath like you see here, which makes sense whether you want to put in a pool down the line or not. The owner's suite is spacious with a huge walk-in closet and your choice between having a tub or an oversized walk-in shower. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Port St. Lucie and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in their communities. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Palm Beach Gardens in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.